Success will be yours with these affiliate marketing tips. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn some extra cash or get some extra traffic to your website. However, there's lots of conflicting idea around and it can be difficult to know where to start or how to take your performance to the next level. This video contains advice about how to make affiliate marketing work for you. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to check out the company's conversion rate. This is the proportion of site visitors that actually buy the product they're selling. A good site will have about a 1% conversion rate. A site with a low conversion rate isn't worth the effort you'll have to put out to direct traffic there. When you partake in affiliate advertising on your website, it is important that you be transparent about who you are partnering with. When you are honest, your visitors will feel better about contributing to your profit. If you seem like you are hiding something, your visitors may go directly through the vendor, instead of using your link. Understand the true concepts behind affiliate marketing. Spam tactics and pressure to buy will not help you to increase your sales. Remember that only people who actually buy a product will generate revenue for you. Just because someone clicks on a link does not mean you get paid. Understanding the concept can make all the difference between success and failure. Find out the exact location of what is driving your readers to click on your affiliate links. Is it the links within your content or your sidebar? Did it come from a video you posted or a review of a product? When you discover what is driving the traffic, focus on that content. If you want to make the most money from your affiliate marketing program, you should make sure that the contract you sign with one company does not restrict you from working with other companies' affiliate marketing programs as well. If you take the time to build a site that draws traffic, you should be allowed to maximize the revenue from the page. Making affiliate marketing work for you really is just a case of learning about the process and putting that knowledge into action. This video has given you some ideas about how you could use it or improve it in your business. Now it's just a case of picking whichever suggestions appeal the most and putting them into practice. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.